Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Canva education for students. Canva Education offers a fantastic suite of premium design tools completely free for eligible students. This special account provides access to all the features usually reserved for paid subscribers. To qualify, you'll primarily need a valid school email address. This program also extends its benefits to teachers and other school staff members, ensuring everyone in education can create amazing visuals. To start, head over to the official Canva Education website. Once there, look for the prominent Get Verified or Sign Up button specifically for educators and students. Clicking this will guide you to the next step. You'll either need to create a brand new Canva account using your school email or log in if you already have a personal account you wish to upgrade. This ensures your application is linked correctly. Next, you'll need to verify your eligibility. This typically involves submitting your school email address, which Canva will use to confirm your affiliation. You might also be asked to upload a document, like a student ID card or an enrollment letter, to further prove your student status. After submitting your details, be patient. Canva usually takes a few business days to review applications and process your upgrade. Once your application is approved, your Canva account will automatically upgrade to the education version. This means you can immediately start enjoying all the premium features, including an extensive library of templates, millions of stock photos, and advanced design tools, all at no cost. You can also easily collaborate with classmates on group projects, sharing and editing designs together. Get ready to unleash your creativity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.